This video is brought to you by Cloud Technologies. We are a software company that offers its services in web designing and development, mobile apps, IoT, digital marketing, cloud computing, Salesforce, MeanStack with AngularJS and Node.js, and soft skills. In terms of development, we do cloud-based applications and mobile applications. In ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning, we are in healthcare, education, e-commerce, and fitness domains. We have our own app in the education domain, that is Skilljo, an exclusive social networking platform for students, professionals, startups, and companies that helps in skill development and networking, which tends to overall growth of job, career, and business opportunities. So if you are a company or just an individual looking for any of the above, then head over to Cloud Technologies website and make it happen in the easiest and most cost effective way possible.
Hello friends, I am from Cloud Technologies. Today we can discuss about web designing tutorial. Let's start our video. Introduction of web designing. What is a web design? Web design refers to the design of websites that are displayed on the internet. For example, Facebook. When you open your browser like Chrome, then you type the www.facebook.com and one page came on the screen. That is called a website. So, for developing or designing that type of websites, we need required technologies. The technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, AngularJS, Node.js, PHP with the help of database. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, AngularJS, Node.js, and PHP. These all are front end, and the back end we get database. Now we can learn about different types of websites. There are two types of websites that are static and dynamic. So now we start learn about static websites. A static website it's only display the information, quick to develop and easy to host, less number of pages are required, and it's text and image based. For example, in a website we can only display the information with regard like text or an image. For developing the static website, we need different types of technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So static website is very easy to develop. It does not require any scripting language. Now we can move on to dynamic website. Dynamic website deals with database and logic, and it times consuming and developers require full scripting knowledge. Multiple number of pages are required. Technologies like JavaScript, TypeScript, PHP, AngularJS, Node.js with the help of database. Examples: e-commerce websites and online examination websites. These all are websites deals with dynamic websites because it have multiple number of web pages and with full scripting language. So the dynamic websites are very easy when you get the scripting language.